Natural cough remedies. Drink warm water. A cough is best not neglected, as a result of it will result in bound complications. Every now and then, drinking heat water could be a great way of soothing the inflammation within the throat. However, this doesn't have any style and will be tasteless for many folks. A heat soup could be a abundant better resolution, as could be a glass of hot tea. Steam. You need a bowl of water, a clean towel, 1 or 2 of drops of volatile oil, and 3 drops of tea tree oil. Boil water during a heatproof bowl and add the essential oils to that. Currently lean over the bowl and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Thrice daily. Keep your head covered with a towel for higher effects. Eat honey. Eat 2 teaspoons of honey throughout a foul coughing spell or right before bed. Studies have shown that overwhelming honey before sleeping will truly improve sleep quality. Never provide honey to a baby beneath 2 years previous. It will cause food poisoning, a kind of malady that's probably dangerous in young children. Garlic. Boil a glass of water and add many garlic cloves there too. Whereas it's boiling, add a teaspoon of oregano to the mixture. Once cooled off, add some honey and consume this mixture doubly on a daily basis. Combining up garlic with essential oil and honey also will facilitate relief soreness. Almonds. Some ancient traditions believe almonds facilitate relief cartilaginous tube issues. Together with coughs, they suggest mixing a number of teaspoons of finely ground almonds with a cup of fruit juice and sipping as a natural remedy.